Don't skip this video. I'm going to show you how to take this dirty $20 bill.
Show me the money.
And be able to exchange it here in Bangkok, Thailand. They don't take dirty money, torn money. Let's see what this 20 will look like, dirty to clean.
Listen to me. I want details, and I want them right now.
And ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, that is dirty. They will not take it. Money rust, as you can see, is a little dirty. All we're gonna need is some bleach, right? Go get yourself some bleach. I got that for about 30 baht, less than $1. And a good old hair dryer. And as you can see, there's me in the mirror.
You in the hood now, baby.
Once again, we're gonna take this absolutely dirty. As you can see, look at that rust. Let's look on the back. On the back is kind of clean, but that rust, they be like, no, and not gonna take that money. You're gonna take this money. Watch this.
You know what the back's for? No, boy. You're supposed to hit the ball with it.
So ladies and gentlemen, we have said $20 bill in there. Get it soaking up and let the bleach do its duty. Like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell. This is going to save you. I'm paying like $6 for withdrawal fees from the ATM. Do you want to pay the $6 each time, or do you just want to do that?
Can you feel the tension in the air right now? I know I can.